back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is Allure here and I am back with a new video, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get my nails done under $8 pretty much. And honestly, I'm not counting the nail polish and stuff, but if I was counting them, it would be under like $10 depending on the nail polish that you want. So first things first, before you guys say anything, I don't know where my nail clippers are at, so I'm gonna be using scissors to just cut it off, and I'm just gonna file it with that. And as you can see, I put these here because I wanted to show you guys that there is options. If you don't want to use the nails that come with the box, you could always use any other nail thing that you have. So these look like this, and they were very cheap on Amazon. And from my previous nail video, I'm gonna leave on the screen, you guys will see how I actually apply them. They're already shaped and stuff, so yeah. So I'm not gonna be using them in this video, but I'm just showing you guys that I've been using this method and it's been working fine, whether I use these or whether I use the ones in the packet. So I wanted to come by and show you guys that I have been really like using them and stuff. So yeah, I've been using these religiously, and let's put these aside for until we need them. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using right here, and it's the Kiss Salon, the Kiss Salon dip. It's like a professional dipping system, and it's so easy, guys, and it comes with 40 tips, so that means you could use this 4 times, one box 4 times. And I picked this up at my local beauty supply. It was like $7.99, but I also seen it at like Target and Walmart for like $8.99 and stuff. So it depends on where you are, the price might vary, but it's not gonna go above $10. It comes with, okay, it comes with the tips. Obviously they have the French tips that is really like, you guys see this, it's really white looking. Okay, so this is more like the French tip because it's purely entirely white, so against your nail, I don't know if this doesn't fit, but it would look like this compared to this one. Like I don't know, can you guys see the difference in color? And I honestly prefer to use this one or the clear one that I showed you guys earlier. So I haven't really touched these. I will, but brush thingy, there's a brush on gel right here, and it comes with these because sometimes the powder gets on it and it gets really hard, so they give you different ones. It comes with this little dipping bowl where you put the dipping powder, which is this one, in it, so you can dip your finger. There's a nail file under here, so you don't have to get a nail file, and the instructions are right here. But I've done this like 4 times already, so my first time doing this, I went in and I didn't cut my nails or anything, and I didn't really like it because it didn't stick really well. So depending on you and how long you plan on wearing them, you might want to cut them. Again, I'm using scissors to cut mine because my nail clippers my nail clippers are currently missing, so I'm just cutting them. I'm not cutting them too short, but I'm just like, you know, again, guys, I know this is the ghetto right here, but yeah. So I'm taking this nail file, right, and I'm gonna file it down because I don't want it to be harsh, and I'm using the soft side. Yeah, make sure you keep the file straight so that it doesn't become like crooked or something. So I'm gonna do that to all my fingers, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Okay, so I finished filing them and they look like this. I don't like my nails too short, but I'm taking this little thing that's in the box and I'm just gonna go under my nails to clean them, and then I'm gonna push back my cuticles. So after I finish doing all of that, I'm going in with the little packet with the nails, and the back of each nail has a number. So if you find one that matches your nail perfectly, just go and look for the number and use it. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna come back. I went and I measured every nail that fits me and I placed them in order. So I'm going with the brush on gel and I'm just gonna glue them on. And then you make sure you hold it down so that it could be very secure. And I also forgot to say, if you want to apply it to the fake nail and then onto your nail, you could do that, but I just think this is easier for me. Make sure you get the little sides so that it doesn't lift up. So this step right now is optional. I know you guys, like some females like, you know, some of you guys like really long nails, and I don't want long nails. So I'm gonna cut them with my scissors again. And this is the length I'm going for. Yeah, these tips are very natural looking. Like when you finish filing and blending everything, it just looks like your real nails. So sometimes I leave them like this and put the clear nail polish on it, and sometimes I just, you know, go and be a little extra. I'm using the rough side of the nail file or this side of it right here, and I'm just going in with this first because it's kind of bigger and it's faster for me. So I don't know, I suck at shaping my nails, like my fake nails. I suck at it. That's why I always get them already shaped. So okay, so this is this one, and I'm not doing much. Like I don't want to ruin the nail because I suck at shaping them, like I said. So I just do a shape and try to make all of them look the same. And I'm gonna do this on all my nails, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what the shape ended up looking like, whether if it's a disaster or if it's not. So don't laugh at the shape, but I kind of messed up in some of them. Whatever. This is what they look like. They're very, you know, it's very like, it's not moving, it's stick. The glue is good. So we're taking the dipping powder right here, and we're gonna apply all of it in here. Make sure the little finger slices is facing you. You're taking your gel, apply it all over the nail. Don't miss no spot, and make sure it doesn't come in contact with your skin. Okay, like this, and then you dip. You count to like 5 or something, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you take it off. I like to leave the excess on it so that I give it time to dry before brushing it off. And this is what you do on all of your nails. And make sure you don't put your face too close to that glue because, well, gel, whatever, because it's very strong and it will burn your eyes. Like, it will make your eyes very watery, so careful with that. After this part, you guys remember the little black thingy? We're just gonna go and we're gonna brush off the excess like this. Ta-da! They look like this. I don't know if you can see it, but like they look like this. And then they're not like thin. Oh, can you guys see it? They're not like thin. They look like natural nails. So I have before. This is very important. Well, not really, but it depends on how you prefer your nails. They're very sturdy. They're hard. It's not gonna break. So depending on you, you could go again and do that step, like apply the gel and dip it in a second time if you want your nails to look a little thicker or have more strength. Depending on your job or what you do and stuff like that, you could definitely go and do that. I will not be doing this step because I actually don't mind my nails like this. So I'm going in and I'm just gonna put this back in here. I have done both ways. I've applied it twice and I've applied it once, and the only difference is just that it's a little stronger. So like if you're gonna be like picking stuff up, you're gonna be picking stuff up, you know, running around doing a lot of brutal things, then go ahead and add that second coat for, you know, an extra layer and stuff. And yeah, so then I normally like to take the soft side and just kind of go over it and get rid of any little bumps or anything that's just in the way. And that's why you kind of need to take a long time filing it the shape that you want, so that it would be less time consuming when you just go in to clean up. And I suck at shaping my nails, so just laugh away, but whatever. And yeah, so this is it. This is pretty much what it looks like now. So after that, we're gonna take this activator and we're just gonna apply a lot of it, because this is what makes the acrylic really hard. So just apply a lot of it everywhere. Do not leave a little bit of it like dry. And get all the little corners, the back, the sides, everywhere. And this also has like a weird scent to it. I don't know, but just be careful with these. Okay, so this is what they look like now. As you guys can see, I'm telling you guys, it gives you this natural kind of nail look. I don't like, you guys see it? It's like natural looking. So yeah, it says to apply a layer of the brush on gel. So we're doing that. So honestly, if you wanted to rock your nails like this, you could definitely do that, because they look very nice. And if you are good at shaping your nails, unlike me, this thing is so strong. I'm so far away from it right now and my eyes are still burning. So, and you're gonna let it dry. Okay, it dries really quickly, so after it dries, you could honestly leave your nails like this. Like, it's a very natural looking like tip, whatever. So yeah, but I want to use this color. I don't know if I like this color. Like, I don't really like this color, so I'm just gonna go in with my little glitter one and So I'm going in with this color instead. If you like this color, I'm gonna leave the name and stuff in the description box, but I'm gonna go with this 540. It was $1 nail polish at the dollar store, LA Colors, and it's called Cocktail. So I'm just gonna put this, and this is what I've been really putting on my nails these past weeks. So it's like this glitter. And like I said again, you can use any nail polish that you want. It's very holographic, kind of. I don't know. I feel like a different person already. So I'm going in with this rapid dry top coat so that it could dry faster, even faster. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And this is what the nails are gonna look like. Hold on, showing you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and if you guys try this, follow me on social media, you know, send them to me on Instagram and stuff. I would love to see a remake of this. And voila.